Video number 6. Searching for t-shirt ideas that sell. Business managers who have been in the affiliate industry for a long time understand how emulating proven ideas and methods can increase your chances of success. There is no need to reinvent the wheel with new ideas when you can use previous strategies to break even with your affiliate campaign. Your ratio of success is likely to grow much higher when you research the type of t-shirts that have translated into successful sales. Avoid coming up with a random idea on what types of t-shirts you wish to try. They could waste your time and even result in more losses. T-View. T-View is a basic search engine useful for initiating Teespring campaigns. However, most people underrate it and do not use it on most occasions. T-View often picks up new t-shirt campaigns from Twitter and Google and displays them to its users. T-View allows you to filter through the various options available on the website and view all the t-shirts that are live and those that have reached their targeted number of sales. From such filters, you can find trustworthy results of t-shirt designs that work. T-Profit. T-Profit has removed the difficult and annoying part in launching a t-shirt campaign. Apart from helping you determine the best t-shirt ideas for your audience, the website also helps business managers in marketing the products to the right audience. The design forms a small percentage of what matters in selling profitable t-shirts. What matters most is your target audience and how best it can compete with that of your competitors. Similar t-shirt campaigns have been proven to result in different levels of profit due to the different marketing efforts used by business managers. Pinterest. You can use the search feature on Pinterest to determine suitable ideas for the type of t-shirts you could sell for a profit. On Pinterest, you can pick up the design of a t-shirt as well as its price. Such designs can help you develop your designs and price them appropriately, keeping in mind previously successful campaigns. Business managers can use the pinners and boards available for each t-shirt idea. On the Boards and Pins page, you can determine the number of people following a linked design. Consider t-shirt designs with a huge following, but capable of bringing in more profits at a realistic price tag. Teedmaster. Teedmaster allows you to save a lot of time and money when searching for t-shirt ideas. It allows you to focus on how to gain more profits from your already launched t-shirt campaigns. Teedmaster has model templates that contain all the various designs of t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, and long-sleeve images that can be customized to make new designs at no extra cost. T-Inspector. T-Inspector is powerful software responsible for generating over $231,966.31 in t-shirts on Teespring. The software can extract previous and ongoing Teespring campaigns from T-View, source code, and Google. You can also sort the results from the top number of sales made to determine the winning designs. InstaViral. InstaViral allows you to enjoy premium t-shirt designs in proven niches. It also integrates the power of Facebook ads to target a large customer base for your products. With InstaViral, you can set a goal of 30 t-shirts but make over 192 sales in the same campaign. Nonetheless, you could also set a goal of 100 shirts and sell 3 times your expected number. Spreadshirt. Spreadshirt contains a wide variety of trending t-shirt designs that can guide you in setting up your new campaign. This website is considered to be one of the ever-growing marketplaces with unique designs loaded with almost every type of design. Apart from the wide selection of t-shirts to choose from, Spreadshirt also allows you to create customized designs in a few minutes. With over 150 accessory and clothing products, you can find or create the best t-shirts to suit the occasion and make adequate sales.